Now, Jesus, it has come to my attention that you cast out a demon from one of our troubled youth. He's doing great. He no longer is addicted to drugs, and he's been able to hold his job. We're just afraid that too many parents, they start to hear about casting out demons, they might become uncomfortable. And you know the mission of our church is always peace and unity. We are the church of peace and unity. We're just afraid that deliverance is it's just weird. Okay, let's be real. Deliverance is weird. And sometimes it's messy and loud. And if people just see it going on or someone hears about it, we could lose whole families. Good, regular, tithing families. So if you could just remember what kind of church it is that we run and who's in charge here, everything will be hunky-dory.